Alright, buddy. Here you go. Alright. Put in the bucket, boy. Come on, Peeper. Put in the bucket. Good boy. Alright, it's time for a little bit of puppy ping pong. Where's it going? Oh. We've got these crazy rafters on the roof of our porch. Put in the bucket, buddy. The new 4-second timer is very nice because, as you can see, he gets very vocal. Really enjoys. Nice catch, buddy. My opinion that because he barked at it the first time he played with his GoDogGo. Whoa, out in the yard. First time he played with his GoDogGo, he barked at it, and that made it throw it. And he barks at us, and sometimes we throw the ball. So I'm pretty sure he's convinced the only way it'll give it back is if he barks at it until it throws it. Oh. Yeah. Good job, boy. Come on, buddy. So the new shorter timer is very nice because it cuts down on how long he does this barking, which I'm sure the neighbors appreciate this morning. In fact, I bet they're all very happy that daylight savings time ended last night and they got an extra hour of sleep before this. Got their morning off to a good start. Puppy ping pong. Nice catch. Nice for us because right behind me is the back door to the house, and as long as you hear him, whoa! As long as you hear him barking about every 10 seconds, you know everything's okay and he hasn't run off or slipped under the fence. There's a lot of room out there for him to run, but the getting him home is the tough part sometimes. Whoop. Alright. Good boy. Whoop. Go put it in the bucket, buddy. Put it in the bucket. That's my guy. One more for the camera. I like to use a racquetball inside of here because it really bounces around crazy like. Gets a good jump. He's not used to the new sound yet because he doesn't. There he goes. He's starting to do his little dance. Whoa, nice catch. Started to do his little dance. The little skip in the middle is different than the old GoDogGo, so he doesn't quite have the sound figured out yet like he did on the old one. The old one changed sounds, and that made him do this cute little dance when he was just about. Hey, hey. You said, hey, crazy legs. Crazy legs. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, that's my guy. Put it in the bucket. That's my guy. Get a good squeeze on it. He's still pretty well obsessed with trying to destroy the ball before he plays with it. He especially, I must say, especially likes the GoDogGo balls. He actually tore my closet apart last night because I had a box from GoDogGo in my closet, and apparently one of the GoDogGo tennis balls was in it, so I left the door open and he tore the whole closet apart. Oh, did that make you sick? Tore the whole closet apart to get that ball out, and the only reason we knew he got in the closet was there was bright green GoDogGo ball spread all over the living room. Good job. One more. Put in there. Put in there, buddy. Get in there, buddy. That's my guy. I'll tell you what. Thanks, GoDogGo, for creating what has got to be about the best doggy babysitter I've ever seen. And we'll have some wonderful video of GoDogGo in the snow coming up here pretty soon, because it's a week or so from snow here in Michigan. Beaver's barking, and I'm signing out. Whoop. Good job, buddy.